Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone, this is me Fareeda Rafath and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share how to wear this hijab style with earrings. Usually what happens is us hijab wearing women don't get to wear earrings because we feel that anyway they're going to be hidden inside the scarf, so why wear it? But I have come up with this style of hijab with which you can actually wear earrings and you can style your outfit. Most of us like to wear different kinds of earrings matching with different outfits, but what we feel is that because of hijab, we're not gonna wear them because we feel what is the use of wearing earrings because we are going to cover ourselves anyway. But we always have a solution. So I just want to share my style of wearing hijab with earrings. I hope you like it. So without any further ado, let's see the tutorial.
Place a scarf with one side short and one side long. Now take the longer side of the hijab and wrap it around your head, leaving some space. Take a hijab pin and lock it on one side of the hijab, and now repeat it on the other side of the hijab. Take one more hijab pin. Here's the trick. Collect all the folds together and pin it behind your ear downwards. Always pin the hijab downwards when you are locking it, so that it doesn't slip away due to gravity. If you pin the hijab upwards, it slips down due to gravity and the pin won't be able to hold the folds of the hijab. Repeat it on the other side as well. I pinned on both the sides, and that's it.
And that's it guys, it's so simple to create this look. You just have to have 4 hijab pins and an undercap. You have to have undercap, otherwise you won't be able to pin, you'll prick yourself. So you need to have a scarf, an underscarf and 4 hijab pins. That's it, you're good to go, and a good pair of earrings. I hope you like this video, and if you do like it, please really like it, give it a big thumbs up and comment down you want to know any other hijab style, or let me know how did you like this style. Also subscribe to my channel and share with everyone you know in your circle. Who knows, your hijabi friend might like it as well. Having said that, keep coming for more. Allah Hafiz.